We have two rules to follow. Rule 1, line up the decimal point. Rule 2, add the zeros to the end of the decimal numbers when it is necessary. Let's look at some examples. 3.4 plus 0.89 plus 17.302. First, we follow the first rule, line up the decimal. So 3.4 plus 0.89, because rule 1 says line up the decimal, we need to put 0.89 so that the decimal lined up. 17.302. Then add the zeros at the end of number 3.4. There are no digit, so we put 0 here, 0 here. Because we have 17.302, we have 3 digits, so that's why we need to add 2 zeros for the first number. For the second number, we need to add 1 zero. The reason we need to line up the decimal is we should add the digit with same place value. For example, 3.4, the 3 is 1's digit, and the second number, the 1's digit is 0. For the third number, 17, so 7 is 1's digit. That's why we need to make even 307. And after the decimal on the right side, 4 is the 10th digit, THS, 10th digit. 0.89, 8 also is the 10th digit. 7.3, 17.302, 3 is 10th digit. So that's why we need to line up the decimal point so that the same place value will be added. Okay, so 002 add together equals 2. 0 plus 9 plus 0 is 9. And 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So we mark 1 here. So 3 plus 7 equals 10, and add 1 is 11. So mark 1 here. So this is 2. The answer is 21.592. The second example is subtraction. 176 minus 28.65. 176 subtract 28.65, because the 6 in 176 is 1's digit, and 8 is the 1's digit. So we need, right, 28 here, right? So that the 1's digit, they line up. So decimal, actually 176. The whole number, the decimal is on the right side of the 1's digit. 0.65 subtract. So we still need to add a 0 after 176. 0.00. When subtract 0 minus 5, we need to borrow 1 from this number. This digit, this is also 0, so we need to borrow from 6. This becomes 5. So this is 10 minus 5 equals 5. So this one, after borrow 1 to this digit, this becomes 9, right? So 9 minus 6 equals 3. This is a decimal here. But the 5 is smaller than 8, so we need to borrow 1 from 7. 6 becomes 7. So this is 15 minus 8, which is 7. So 6 minus 2 equals 4, is 1. So the answer is 147.35. So next I want you to practice 2 questions. Just to follow the rule, line up the decimal. 4 is 1 digit, 7 is 1 digit, 5 is 1 digit, 7 is 1 digit. Line up. Okay, this one 3 is 1 digit. The 1 digit in this number is 0. The 10th digit is 5. The 10th digit is 9 here. So after practicing, you can see our solution. 34, line up the decimal place, the decimal point, 34.208, 187.7, 1 digit, so 187.2. Then we need to add the zeros, right? 5.5 is 1 digit. Line up decimal, 0, 1, and 0. The last number is 67. This one. So add 3 zeros. So we can see, line up the decimal point. So all the digits with the same place value, they line up, line up, line up. So 8, 1, 4, and this one, we add this one, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So we need to mark 2 here. And when we add these 4 numbers, we can see 2 plus 8 equals 10, then 10 plus 3, 13, then plus 6, 19. And we mark 1 here. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. The answer is 293. Yeah, I just write 293.418. It's the first solution. The second solution is subtraction. 23.50 subtract 0.948, add a 0. When you subtract 0 smaller than 8, borrow 1, 4. So this 10 minus 8 equals 2. This will become 9. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then 4 minus 9, smaller, borrow from 3, become 2. This is 14. Minus 9 equals 5. Decimal. And 2 minus 0 equals 2. This is 2. The answer is 22.552.